Hidden deep in the rugged mountains of Arizona lies the forgotten giant of America's mining past, the Brianna Mine. Once a bustling hub of industry, today it stands as a relic of ambition, war, and relentless search for precious minerals. The Brianna Mine, also known as the Borean Mine, began operations in the early 1900s. Its treasure wasn't gold or silver, but tungsten, a metal so tough it became vital for tools, machinery, and weapons. By the 1940s, as World War II raged, this remote mine became a lifeline for the U.S. military. At its peak, the mine employed hundreds of workers, carving out a small community in the wilderness. Cutting-edge technologies like gravity separation and flotation made the Brianna Mine one of the most advanced tungsten operations in the country. For the miners, life was harsh but purposeful, their labor tied directly into the nation's survival. Got some eel. Just going. Got some paws right there. We got brother climbing a ladder right there. Look at the train.
I'm getting up. You got your license, right?
Yep. Why do you got a check engine light right there?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. Just started and we'll find out.
This mine isn't completely abandoned though. Years ago, people dropped off their old pet goldfish into a nearby pond, thinking they would have a short life. Now, they are the new residents of the Boriana mine.
We're at the mine. Look at that. Oh crap. Cowboy boots. I got it. Look at the wood. It's barrels.
Wouldn't the mine be below?
I don't know where it is. I don't know where the shaft is, because that looks like a shaft. That looks like a shaft right there. Look. That's probably the old shaft. What do you think? Latch. Ooh, a hole. Huh.
When the war ended, demand for tungsten collapsed. By the 1950s, production slowed and eventually the mine was abandoned. What remains today are rusted ore bins, collapsed tunnels, and the skeletal structure slowly surrendering to the desert.
Yo, do that again. There you go, perfect rock. See if the funnel still works. Yeah, let's go down. Less stairs out. Oh, I think you broke it. Oh crap!
I broke it. I broke it.
Maybe.
Alright.
Oh, there's rocks falling on me. There we go. Maybe cowboy boots weren't the best thing. Spring. Oh, that sunk. Oh, I split the rock. Look, I split a rock. That fat. Damn. Yeah. Good.
Tripping hazard.
Yeah, just get rid of the tripping hazard. Just kick off. Get rid of the tripping hazard. Bye. Didn't even make a sound. Do it again. Oh. Look, there was some sort of material. All right. Found a little hole. Whoa, this is probably where all of that resources came and just flow down. And there's a little dividend right here. Just all this stuff's covering it. Dude, this is all buried. Friendly holes right there. Crazy that the rooms are still put together. That. So all the resources flow out. I don't know what that is. Very interesting. Oh, a pan. There's a hole right there.
Get a flick of the regions from all the way.
Oh, it goes up a little bit.
The Brianna mine wasn't just some random hole in the ground. It was born in the 1900s, hit its stride during World War II, and gave hundreds of people jobs while supplying the US military with one of the toughest metals on Earth. It was advanced for its time. It built a community in the middle of nowhere, and then, like so many other mining stories, it collapsed and disappeared. Now it's just ruins, but those ruins tell a bigger story. Ambition, invention, and how it shaped the American West.
Yo, it's a cow. That is a big cow. All right, Mama, I got you. Don't worry.
That is actually cute.
That is a big
Take
one
another
cow.
picture right now. You are so cute.
Bye, cow.